Hello, I am Eugene Rau from Timișoara, Romania. I want to present you my opinion regarding mysterious meaning of mysterious signs, capital letter H and close H, known as close eta or boxed eta. At the archaeological site, Gobekli Tepe, Turkey, on T-shaped pillars, there are some H capital letter shaped signs which significance is shrouded in mystery. Attention! There another closely related sign, closed H, known as closed eta or box eta. Hope you realize the shape of the sign I'm referring to. In fact, closed eta is is uh, around the contour are traced lines, um, like put an H in a box. I studied to what can be related. I came to the conclusion that can be related to. I give it to you as clue: first letter of the word, L or G. I want to know to what come to relate scientists this sign. And Gemini intelligent artificial artificial intelligence assistant Gemini responded me. The H-shaped and boxed H closed eta symbols at Göbekli Tepe are some of the most mysterious and debated carvings at the site. While there is no definitive consensus, scientists and researchers have proposed several theories. The clues of L and G relate to two of the most discussed hypotheses: a linguistic origin or a connection to Luwian hieroglyphs, and a cosmological or astronomical interpretation possibly linked to celestial gates. 1. Linguistic Luwian connection. A significant theory, though highly speculative, suggests a connection between the Göbekli Tepe symbols and later proto-languages. This idea posits that the H and boxed H symbols may be early rudimentary forms of writing or logograms. Luwian hieroglyphs. Some researchers have noted a shrinking resemblance between the H symbol at Göbekli Tepe and certain signs in the later Luwian hieroglyphic scripts, which symbol can mean gate or a reference to a deity. This theory suggests a continuity of symbolic meaning over thousands of years and hints that Göbekli Tepe carvings could be some of the earliest forms of written communication. 2. Cosmological astronomical interpretation. This is one of the most prominent academic theories. It views the symbols as part of a complex sky map with the carvings representing constellations or celestial events, gateways to a different realm. The H symbol shape, which resembles two vertical lines connected by a horizontal one, has led to the idea that it represents a gateway or portal. This could be a physical portal, but more likely a symbolic one representing a passage between realms, perhaps a gateway to the cosmos or the afterlife. The boxed H would then signify a closed or protected gateway. This interpretation fits with a broader view of Göbekli Tepe as a religious or ritual site. Orion and other constellations. In this framework, the symbols are not words, but rather celestial markers. The H has been specifically linked to the constellation Orion. The idea is that the carvings document a significant astronomical event, possibly a comet impact, and that the symbols are a map of the night sky at that time. While these are the most common scientific explanation, it's important to remember that the true meaning of these symbols remains elusive. The lack of a Rosetta Stone for Göbekli Tepe means that all interpretations are based on circumstantial evidence and comparative analysis. Now, uh, because those signs are close related, capital letter H and boxed H, I suppose that both are related to the same meaning. Uh, Such a sign is found in Sumerian cuneiform and Proto-Sumerian cuneiform as sign Ku. Sign Ku signify shine of the metal, the noble shine of gold, and is present in Sumerian language, and the title of the rulers is uh, put before the name Ku as a title designing designing to be noble. Also is used to signify that something is shining. So that could be related to light, to to something shining. Very interesting. The same sign as in the shape of H with boxed H is present in all these Chinese writings, jiahu, shells, and signify moon, and signify in a closed shape, signifying uh, sun. Sun is Ji and moon is Yue. That also is related to light. But in my opinion, all those signs from Göbekli Tepe and all the Chinese writings are relate are those signs started from the shape of the Orion constellation. So they they use the overall shape of the Orion constellations to signify something shining. Uh, Also, in Sumerian writing, there is constellation Orion named Urvana. Uru is for light, An is the god, sky god deity, and the last particle Na is indicating pertaining to god An. So Orion is Urvana, light of heaven. Yes. Also, there is there is Kuguana, Kugan. Kug is the same as Ku, signifying shining, the same meaning, Ku and Kug. So Kug, Kug, Kugan is the same as Urvana. Yes, and also we can make a bridge thinking that people wanted to go in afterlife rather in heaven than under earth. So, as Egyptians wanted to go somewhere in Orion constellation in near Osiris, so possibly Sumerian wanted to go in the brightest part of Orion constellations, which can be seen with naked eye. Of course, one must be in a place with light, low light pollution, and have a good eyesight. But most of the young people can see in the night the most bright part of the constellation Orion, which is close in the middle, where are those three stars, one beside another, at the belly of that shape of Orion. Yes, so can be those can be close, very close. Is we should expect that they used kind of gate or a sign, kind of for a gate or a portal to the heavens upside upward in the sky. So these notions of of sky, skylight, and gate, when soul got free and goes to the heavens, there must be and should be related. There is no opposition in that way between a symbol for light or a symbol for gate or portal to heaven. There is some H-shaped megalithic stones in Central America, which supposed to be also have had the meaning gate to heaven. So this is my exposing opinion regarding those signs found at Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, 9,400 before Christ, 11,400 before present. So I remember that this sign, box H, uh, was found in Turkey at Göbekli Tepe, made of stone, somewhere 2.5 meter by 1 meter, and it was in the shape, was used as a porthole, probably in the same using as in Çatalhöyük, people got outside from through the roof. Yes, probably there was put for soul to get outside to the heaven. This piece of stone, quite large, as I told, was named by archaeologists porthole. Porthole is an opening through something like the big ships or somewhere else. Well, I thank you very much. Bye bye.